Tired of losing keys or forgetting codes? Check out this sturdy 4-digit combination padlock, waterproof, resettable, and built for security indoors and out. Made from high-strength zinc alloy with a hardened steel shackle, it's tough, cut-resistant, and rated IP68 for complete weather and water resistance. Set and reset your own 4-digit combo anytime, no tools needed. With 10,000 combinations, it's secure enough for gym lockers, toolboxes, gates, sheds, or travel bags. Compact, lightweight, and totally key-free, this lock gives you reliable security without the hassle. Available in black, blue, and silver. Ready to lock things down the smart way? Check the link in the description below to choose your color and buy this combination padlock now. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.